So here's my light stand. It comes with the adjustable ratchet, and the part on the top, this part, is adjustable as well, and it goes very high. So it's easily adjustable to pretty much any height you need. And it raises quite easily. So I'll show you how I made it. So now I'm ready to cut the main support. So now I'm going to notch out these two for the base. So I have one notched, and now I will do the other one. So I have them both cut, and see if they snap right together. So I have my base and my post ready, and I will put this in here. I will also add some more support later. So for the base, I'm going to add these blocks for some added support. So here I have my ratchet all marked, and I'm going to have to cut them. I'll do what I can on the bandsaw, and then maybe go over to the table saw. So I have this piece marked, and this is for the arm or the boom. So I'm going to cut it out on the bandsaw. So here I traced out the ratchet arm, and I used maple. So I will go ahead and cut it out. So I cut out some blocks, and I will cut this out, and it'll hold the ratchet down. So I've got my brackets cut out, and I will attach them on here. And they will support the ratchet. So I'll cut 2 or 3, see how they work. So now I'm going to put on the ratchet arm, the spring. So I have all the pieces made, and here's the arm, here's the ratchet, and I can put them all together.